I don't know whether you guys can hear me. Can you guys hear me? We're live. We're live. We're live. I have a lot of things to talk about today. First of all, how was you guys' trading last week? How was you guys' trading last week? Let me know. Did the FS markets deal with some of you? Or was it smash TP back to back? Let me know, guys. Were you trading crypto, forex, indices, anything tradable? Or you decided to stay away from trading? Or is there most of you all out there that have not actually started trading for this week? So I started to don't I, ju- I started to like I just had a quick session with my students, so I decided to come, and stay with you guys more here now. So I'll tell you guys the trades I took this week and also hear you guys out because of I think the FS market is one of the most depressing place you can actually be at. That's why I love talking to traders because of trading is the only thing that have to deal with you mentally. Okay, I will share my screen. I will share my screen very soon. Excuse me. I will share my screen very soon. We'll talk about trades that we did. So first of all, are we experiencing anything like lags? Well, last time I was here, I experienced lags, a lot of lags here. So let you all know me so that I'll know the right things to fix. So now, if you check all this now, first of all, now the first trade we took last last week is USD JPY. Moreover, this is gold, our TP, full TP gold. So you guys should give me a moment. Let me share this to our platforms. So this is the first USD JPY trade we took last week. Can you see what? Ran for how many RR? 2.5 RR. This was our first TP for the week here now. It was how many pips trade? Caught 121 pips on USD JPY. Then gold. Don't worry, we had a break even on gold. If you're in my channel, you know how I post trades like one after the other. Like I guide you through the whole process. Nothing to hide. If I take loss, you join me and take the loss. If it's a win, and you join me and take the win. That is trading for you. I just want to make sure every of our platforms have all these now. for doesn't take more than a minute. Telegram. Damn, I don't know what's wrong with all this. I've been trying to post on some of this and I'm finding it difficult. Damn, I didn't even post the link. Fuck. Seems like we'll leave. It seems like we'll leave other platforms for now. I've managed to post on Telegram. Now, so now, how was yours trading last week? So now this is our. Let me know at the comments. Let me know at the description here now. Was trading tough for you? So this is good setup that we took now. Moved one is to moved moved one is to how many RR? One is to two RR now. This is the third setups for the week. Now in my Telegram group, I talked about how if we move to one RR, we normally do break even now. That was how I broke even this trade. So if you didn't break even this trade, you're on your own. You're on your own. Because of something I've learned from trading is that what 3 to 4 people can be using the same system and they'll have different results. All lies down to let me zoom this. All lies down to discipline. Discipline. What when this moved one is to 1.3 RR, what according to the rule we follow, I was prompted to break even on this particular trade here. But my mind started telling me, no, don't break even. This could hit your, break even level and move to take profit level. But I reminded myself that trading, that this difference between an experienced trader and inexperienced trader is just the fact that what an experienced trader knows his rules to the depth. So when I tell you to break even, I know that what I've seen market what go to this level and come back and hit at loss. I know my strat. If you tell me to explain my strategy in 2 seconds, I can actually explain it to you in 2 seconds. That's how I simplify trading. What we've done the hard work for my students. We just what plug and play. Sorry, plug and play. Now, when this happened, I wish this thing is logged into, logged into my MT4 is logged into this my PC. Let me reduce this fan here. So I'm always on the fan 24/7. Don't worry, I'm finding a way not to. So this was when moreover, this was our USD JPY trade. Or is it USD JPY or good here now? Okay, this was our good setup now when it was in profit. This is it. So we are talking, for those of us watching us here, we're talking about the trades we took last week. We took 3 trades, two to 2 RR. The third one was move 1 RR, hit us at break even. You all know that I've not been trading. I lost my account because of I got emotional because of med school. I combine. I'm a doctor, MBBS, so I combine these two something with trading. So recently, two of them clashed that I started affecting. I started having thoughts to drop out. So this kind of decision is a great decision in my life. So it affected my trading that I started over risking, and I breached my rules in my Profem account, 3 to 4 Profems. Now, I just recently started trading just this week. Now, we took 3 trades this week. What I send everything out as it is occurring live screenshot. You can join me on Telegram if you haven't. And also during the week, I stream live as well here on YouTube every 8 p.m. West African time. So let's start with the first setup. Okay, before we go to the first setup, let me talk about. Hope this doesn't automatically download here. Okay. Now, this is it. I don't hide anything. This was the setup here, right here. This was the setup right here. Now, can you see? I sure told them that it hit me on break even and started going down. I started going up right here now. Break even now. Then look at the funny thing about this setup is that if it didn't actually hit me on break even, that I could have lost. It could have been a loss. Could have been a loss. Could have been a loss. So so the first good setup right here now. What did I see? On last week live that we talked about, this was the other block I marked out. Our weekly bias was bearish last week. What I marked out this particular order block, saying that if we should wake up on Monday and we don't close above this level, we're gonna be looking for sales. Then also that last week I marked out these other blocks right here, that these are also zones that we are going to be looking for buys. I also made mention of that if we should take out this particular high throughout the next week, we're going to be buying. Can you see that throughout this week what I did was looking for buys, which this one gave us a 1 is to 2 risk reward ratio. This one gave us a 1 is to 1.3 risk reward ratio on gold. Can you see the importance of being on this live? But it gives you a sense of direction. We didn't sell at all. Now, the first trade, the first trade on gold that we took. Why did I take this trade? So now, what can you see here? A swing high after we took out this level, a low, we came, but we broke this level. Then market came, what again? Some of traders, I don't know whether you guys are seeing this, we not call this a structural level, but here is actually a structural level right here. Actually a structural level. So I made this guy my inducement zone. This is my other block zone right here. Can you see how market returned back here now? And what I took a buy. Let me find where I took the buy. When I sent out the buy. So here is my Telegram group. If you're not here, you should join. Um, when did I send out this Telegram? This so it was 13 January. This is gold. And can you see what I told them that we're expecting on gold? That we're expecting buys, and why? Gold disrespected our valid high right here. The same thing I'm saying here, together with its own PDRA, we marked out that we could push higher for a while before going low. The level marked out here is also a swing structure there. Once we're ready to buy, it will be sent out. The same thing I'm explaining here, right here. This was a structure, then right here. Okay, let me make it big so that you guys will see. So this is the same thing that I said here is what I was explaining for them. This is the picture here now. These are the zones I marked out for that particular day. Now moving down. Moving down. Can you see now? Just took a buy. Told them just took a buy on gold. This was when it formed right here. Right here. Took a buy on gold. This is the entry 4,592.72. The stop loss 4,568.98. Then the take profit 4,640.49. This was what London section, and what this was the execution of the trade right here. So before then, on the gold trade, we already have our USD trade running. Then when I took these screenshots, we already have our USD running 2RR. So this is a 25k account. I'm risking 1%, $250, $250. So we are almost 2RR on USD. It was still running. Then the gold, I just executed the gold right here. Now that particular day, I told you guys now, because of I wanted to drop out. I went house hunting at my school. Most of my peers have found house, so I've not found house because of I couldn't. I wanted to drop out. That time I made the decision not to, because of you all kind words to me here. So now I told you all that on my way home we will talk about all this on our life. So I took this on a bus coming back home. Now this was the good setup in profit. Look at it right here in profit. So this is it. This is my 100k account. So I'm trading a 100k and 25k account. This is my 100k account right here. Right here. Did I make it a screenshot on 25k account? And now, currently now, this is my 25k account. Currently now, can you see I've taken profit on my 25k account? I've taken profit. The USD trade is no longer running. Don't worry, I will show you guys our USD trade. It was the first trade we took this week. Did you guys struggle with trading this week? Let me know. So that's it for gold now. That's it for gold. Let me talk about the second gold setup that I sent out and why. Second gold setup that I sent out. I was just waking up. It's already 5. I used to wake up very, very early. So this is 5. Already woken up. Here now. See my face. Now, this is what I sent out for the day on gold. Okay, this was Wednesday. We didn't take any trade on Wednesday. Nothing happened on Wednesday. So now, January 15, this was I sent out. Today we are still waiting for entry signals on our levels. Let's see whether we'll get before London section. So these are the levels gold. I was waiting for sell here, right here on gold. Now this was the last setup we took on gold, the one that I was talking about, break even. This is it here now. I told them that on which date is it? January 16th. January 16th is when? January 16th is when is I'm finding the exact day. Friday. Yeah, Friday. It was our last setup now. We are to buy gold from here, but not yet. That we are not buying yet. This is the image here. So this is the gold setup that took me out as break even, that went 1.3 RR here now. So this was when I told them that we are buying now. So I told them to buy gold 4,600.25 right here. Stop loss 4,568.98. Take profit 4,633. How many points was this? So now, so immediately I executed this trade. What this trade technically, it was 100% moving. Like when I executed it, immediately I executed it, what already running $87 here. I'm telling them that USDJPY didn't want to retrace to our zone here now. Now this is the good setup. So we are currently now running for 1 hour right now. 1 hour right now. None of my accounts. Around $158. This is like $223. I don't know whether you guys were hearing this now. This was the good setup running up. This is it. My 100k account was already running $272. So this 100k account, I'm risking 0.5%. This was what I said. Can you see how it hits me on break even and move to our take profit level? Like moving, so I don't hide anything here. Which if you didn't take this break even here, that you would have lost this setup. Now this, why did I take this setup? Easy peasy. Inducement zone. This is an order block right here. I took a buy right here. It moved from the first time. Why didn't I take this first buy here? Why did I take this second buy right here? And also I checked my candle range theory strategy. What can you see from the daily time frame now? We failed to close this candle range low. Also, we have what a PDRA sitting right here. So both the 1 hour, the daily, and the 4 hour was saying the same thing. All saying the same thing. Looking for a buy. So if you were selling last week, I don't like saying things like this. You were wrong because of every signal. Using everything that I teach you guys on this YouTube channel, every signal was telling buys. Because if you know that you were selling, it's on you. It's on you. Me, I'm done teaching. You can ask any question. Any question. Any question before I end the live? So since there is no question, you guys should meet me the same time tomorrow, 8 p.m. West African time, and have a nice trading week, you all.